Example 3. Of course, you will need to write out these examples for your proper use later on. Okay? So, example 3 says, if P and Q are two lines parallel to each other, and angle E is 50 degrees, find all the angles in the diagram below. So this piece right here is 50. So it wants me to find A, B, C, D, F, G, H. All right? And let's look at the solution. It says, it is given that angle E is 50 degrees. The two lines are parallel. So since those two are parallel, then this angle E and angle A are corresponding. So it says the corresponding angles are equal since angle E and angle A are corresponding angles. So angle A is 50. So this, notice E is the top left of line Q and A is the top left of line P. So they must be corresponding. Then it says the vertically opposite angles. Since A and C are vertically opposite, each of them will be 50. So since A is 50, C is 50. Then it says somebody's, we said since angle A and angle C are vertically opposite, then each of them are 50 degrees. And then since angle E and angle G are vertically opposite then to each other, then G is 50. So we have E being 50, A being 50, C being 50, and G being 50. All of that we have calculated. Note, I don't like this method because it doesn't do it alphabetically. I like how it starts with A, but it doesn't go across to B, C, D, E, F, and so on. So that's a problem that I see in this type of working. It's too haphazard. All right. Next one, the interior angle is on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So, since this and this are on the same side, then they should be able to find the angle by using 180 degrees. So interior angles are on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So angle E plus angle D is 180, which means 50 plus angle D is 180. So D is going to be 180 minus the 50, which gives me the 130. So they found angle D to be 130. I don't know why there is a line here. I imagine that might have been a mistake. So don't worry about it. Then angle B and angle D, angle D and angle B are vertically opposite. So since, let me go back to the diagram, since this D is 130, then B will be 130 as well. All right? And I imagine the next part, B and F are corresponding. So B and F, so this is top right of line P. This F is top right of line Q. Notice the lines and then the line, the transversal. So there's really an upside down F there. Okay. So angle B and angle F are corresponding, which means that angle F and angle H are vertically opposite. So hence they are 130. So looking at this, so since F is 130, then H is also 130 because they're vertically opposite. Then it says Then it says angle D is equal to angle O plus 90 degrees. And D is 130. So 130 is equal to angle O plus 90 degrees. So that means that angle O is 130 minus 90, which gives you 40. So it says since this whole thing is 130, this O will be 130 minus the 90, which will give you the 40 right here.